Hi, welcome to America's Home Place. My name's Amy and I'm the sales manager in the Columbia, South Carolina location. Today, I'd like to talk to you about interior and exterior doors. Our exterior doors are made of fiber core and they're insulated. These doors are sturdy and they can be painted any preferred color. They come in a variety of sizes as well as the option of having glass panels. These glass panels can be 3 panels, they can be full glass, or they can be a half panel. In addition, these doors can have bronzed or brushed nickel for their hardware. We have a variety of interior doors available. This is a 2-panel raised selection. This is a 6-panel. Over here we have the Craftsman style with the raised arch. And over here, we have a 2-panel raised arch. All of these doors are available in all the standard sizes. Hopefully you found this video informative, and if you need more information, you can reach us at americashomeplace.com. Thanks for watching.